First up, we'll tackle planning your content. This is where it all begins. It's about finding your niche, setting goals, and planning your video content. This is the stage to brainstorm video ideas, create an editorial calendar, and define your target audience. Next, we move on to filming and equipment. Here's a secret: you don't need expensive gear to get started, but understanding the basics of camera setup, lighting, and sound can significantly improve your video quality. Once you've captured your footage, it's time for editing your videos. This is a stage that can truly transform your content. We'll delve into video editing software, basic editing techniques, and how to add graphics to your video. The last step in our journey today is optimizing for SEO. To get your videos discovered, it's crucial to understand video titles, descriptions, tags, and the importance of keywords. By the end of this journey, you'll be well on your way to creating content that not only looks great, but also performs well on YouTube. So gear up, start planning your next video, and remember, practice makes perfect. In our next journey together, we'll dive into audience engagement and growing your subscriber base. Stay tuned and keep creating.